At the top of the hour, we told you the mental health facility at the center of several Denver7 Investigates stories is officially shutting down. Documents filed with the state show Johnstown Heights Behavioral Health is closing and laying off dozens of employees. Denver7 Chief Investigative Reporter Tony Kovaleski is joining me now. Tony, you have been covering this place for years now and the failures there. Let's talk a little bit about why they are closing. What do we know?
Well, good evening, Jacqueline. It's a question we've been asking for a while, and we still don't really know. Officially, the leadership at Johnstown Heights is saying for business reasons, the dynamic is just no longer working and they are voluntarily shutting down. We checked with the Attorney General, which has been investigating that address for years. Also, the Department of Public Health has done dozens of inspections, and both said they had no part in this closure. We know they're saying that the business dynamic is just not working, but the history of this facility raises serious questions about the quality of care and the complaints we've received over the years.
Yeah, as you said, you've been covering this for many years now, 6 years. What did you find when you started looking into this center?
Well, it started with one dad and one patient back when it was Clearview, and over the past 6 years, the story has been the same. Individuals that were inside and employees talked about quality of care, lack of staffing, doctors not seeing patients, raising serious questions about whether they're being kept longer than they wanted to be, basically saying that money was more important than the quality of care. Our reports led to several state investigations. We're told by insiders over the past 6 years that because of our reports, it's had impact on the number of people that are actually sent to the facility. Did our investigation force the shutdown? We can't say that, but clearly the people who trusted us, the patients, the employees, the insiders, their voice was heard, and it made a difference.
You have recently spoken to an insider. The question that we were asking all along is, are things improving or are they staying the same? What did you hear?
Well, that's the intriguing part of what happened here. It was announced to employees last Friday that they were going to close. We got a call from an insider. We did an interview, and she told us clearly that she's watched all the stories we've done and nothing is different. And that's the sad part of where we are. She said that doctors are not seeing patients. She said quality of care is not there. Patients are being kept longer than they want to be. And so all the things that the state tried to change by multiple inspections, by immediate jeopardy, which is the most serious designation you can give a facility. The message was strong from the state, but the place stayed open until last week. And as we heard, and we've heard it from several insiders, that the problems that we first reported 6 years ago continued until the very end.
And now we are finally at an end to this. Really good work covering this story. You've stayed on top of it the entire time, Tony. Thank you.
The question is now, what's next? Because that's an important location.